In this video, we are going to look on how to set up Rednote profile. Open up your Rednote app and tap on Me. Then tap on Profile. From here, you can edit and set up your profile. For example, to keep your profile picture, tap on the camera icon and set any picture you want from your photo library. Tap here to edit or change your name, for example like this, and tap on Save to confirm the change. Tap on Bio to edit your bio. Keep your birth date, job profile, location and education by tapping and selecting the respective titles. Tap on background photo to keep a banner for your profile. And this is how you set up your Rednote account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.